What's going on YouTube? I'm going to let you know a little bit of information as to why people are failing in 2019 with affiliate marketing. Cue it up. Okay, so here we go. Number one reason why people are failing with affiliate marketing is because of the fact that they think they're going to get rich overnight. Okay, it does not work that way. No business is like that where you're able to create a business today and tomorrow you're a millionaire. It just doesn't happen. Okay, the simple answer to that is why people are failing is that they are expecting too much too soon. Okay, I'm not going to be here to sugarcoat this for you. Affiliate marketing, making money online, any internet business, whatever you're selling online is hard work. Whether that be you have a drop shipping store, whether that be you have an e-commerce business, whether that be you're selling on eBay, whatever it is that you're doing, it is hard. It is going to take work, guys. It's going to take work. Now, if you're not willing to create yourself a system, if you still have a full-time 9 to 5, and you don't have 8 hours in the day to invest into your business, guys, you need 30 minutes. You need 1 hour. Obviously, if you have more time to focus on your business, you're going to be able to scale it a lot faster. However, if you're only given 30 minutes in a day, there's still things that you can do. Okay, so my biggest tip for affiliate marketers is to stop searching for information. Okay, stop searching for the next answer and to take what you already know and start implementing that today. Okay, so there is a few tools that you are going to need. You're going to need something where a software you're going to be able to create your funnels. You're going to need an autoresponder to capture emails. You're going to need products to sell. You're going to need to be a member of an affiliate marketplace. You're going to need those things. Okay, once you have those things, guys, there is nothing left else for you to learn besides actually getting out there and putting in the work. Okay, so every day you need to be building an audience. Every day you need to be creating valuable content that people are going to want to know. Okay, so if I'm in the golfing niche and I'm teaching everybody how to improve their putting game, okay, I cannot just make one YouTube video showing people how to putt and think that I'm going to be rich. Okay, what you have to do is every single day you need to be creating an audience and you need to be sharing with people other tips and other useful information. Okay, guys, it's that simple. As soon as you start providing people with value in content and information, they begin to build a trust factor with you. Okay, are you following? As soon as these people trust you, then you are going to be able to sell them things on the back end. Okay, that is why affiliate marketers are failing, because they think that as soon as they're promoting a product, that automatically you guys are just going to make $1 million, and it's not going to happen, guys. It's just not. I mean, I don't want to be the Debbie Downer to burst your bubble, but it's not going to happen. You need to put in the work. For me, I would set up a 90-day challenge. A 90-day challenge, guys, a 90-day challenge with yourself. Every day, draw it out. Draw yourself out a blueprint, okay, for 90 days. What you're going to do. In 90 days, see how many sales you've made. If you haven't made any sales in 90 days, guys, there's something wrong with your system and you need to go back, tweak it, and fix it, okay? But that is why people are failing with affiliate marketing. Guys, if you want to know what I'm using to create my funnels and to create my business, I am using ClickBank, not ClickBank. Yeah, I do promote ClickBank products, but I'm using ClickFunnels, and that link is going to be down in the description. If you are a complete newbie and you know nothing about affiliate marketing, I have a great report for you that I have written. It is the Affiliate Marketers Blueprint. That link is also going to be down in my description, guys. So take advantage of what you already know and just get to work. Until next time, my name is Dennis Anthony. Hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'm going to be bringing you fire content every day showing you how you can make more money in 2019 with affiliate marketing.